Today was Sawmill day. I just stopped to check my load here. Look at this. I think I'm loaded. It's a lot of slabs. A few good, nice milled pieces as well. Anyways, it's gonna be a slow ride home. It's all back roads. If I see some interesting spots on the way home, I'll stop and show you guys along the way. Jesus, they don't build trucks like they used to. That bit of wood has just got me sagging. Here's one of the many wetlands in the area. This area is just full of wetlands. I just saw something jump over there. Yeah. We're right in the Canadian Shield. So here's a spot I thought I'd show you guys. Not sure if you can really see it with this lighting. There is a massive chunk of Canadian Shield rock in the forest there on the side of the road. That rock is some of the oldest rock on the planet. Anyways, let's get back on the road. And here's some more. Yeah, I'm basically driving through a great big chunk of the Canadian Shield and wetlands. Pretty much where I am. There's a wetlands down that area. I'll stop there and show you. Here's another really pretty spot. Can't stay here too long. I'm parked just over a hill. I thought I'd show you this spot. There's like a pond back there and a great big chunk of shield. It's really pretty back here. All right, let's get back on the road. Check out this little bit of Canadian Shield. Thought I'd get out and show you the scale for scale. Surprisingly, you know, there's my finger. Surprisingly, the bugs are not bad today. It must be because it's really, really hot. It's approaching 30. Alright, let's get back on the road. Oh my god, look at my squatty truck. Jesus, they don't build them like they used to, let me tell you. These are some of the roads I'm on today though. It's nice and quiet and peaceful out here. Little to no people. You're lucky if you ever see a person. Here's a really nice pond. Nice little, probably created by beavers. Just listen to it out here. Nice and quiet. Peaceful. I really enjoy living it this way. I can't tell you all the reasons why without getting political about it. But what I can tell you is we enjoy low taxes living out here. The peace and quiet, nature, wildlife. Those are some of the best things about living out here. Well, I'm back home and almost unloaded. It's just these few pieces left. There's some good slabs in here. They're nice and thick. Great for projects. Plus I was given all of this stuff here. These are great if you ever need a board. They're of all different sizes. So that entire truckload you've seen was all for free. He just gave it to me. No cost. This is a really nice board here that I got from the sawmill. Tapers off at the top, but there's at least an 8-foot piece of probably 8 inches wide by a true 1 inch. Oh, where's my hand? True 1 inch by 8 inches wide probably. Plus I got this piece. Plus I got these square ones, or more or less pretty square. I don't know what you would call these, 2x2s. They're narrow at the bottom, but there's at least a 6 foot length there where it's 2x2. Plus I got these slabs here. Again, they're pretty thick, but they're good for projects. There's some stuff over here. This stuff's here. Oh, the freaking deer flies are out again. Look at this deer fly. Look at this deer fly trying to bite me through my glove, and it's actually working. Fuck. Oh, I'm tired now. It's so hot, and the bugs here are crazy. There wasn't any bugs where I was, but they're crazy here. Am I even looking at the camera? So yeah, by the looks of it, it's officially deer fly season. They're the worst insect. I can handle mosquitoes, I can handle black flies. Deer flies are vicious. They take a chunk out of you when they bite you. They swarm you, they're relentless. I'm gonna have to get my bug net. I'm whining, I know. After saying that I really like living out in this area, or living this lifestyle. Yeah, bugs. Around here, June, July, part of May is a complete write-off because of bugs. They make life miserable. There are so many different kinds of biting insects here that it's not good. But you get used to them. Anyways, I'm just talking nonsense now. I probably got heat stroke or something. So I better get this truck unloaded and get in the house and get some lunch. I'm getting really hungry. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I won't be loading my truck that heavy ever again. It was squatted right down. It's funny, you know, when I picked up my 2 loads of rocks, it seemed like a heavier load. I don't know. They don't build trucks like they used to. So I don't know why they got rid of leaf springs. They're far stronger, can handle more weight. Coil springs are for cars.